Did you know that Snowflake is not a traditional database? Most people assume Snowflake is just another database system, but when you look under the hood, it works in a completely different way from anything built before. Let me break it down for you. Traditional databases like SQL Server or Oracle were designed decades ago. They combine everything together: storage, compute, and services into one single system. This worked well when data was small and teams were small. But today, companies are dealing with massive amounts of data, thousands of users, and completely unpredictable workloads. And that is exactly where traditional systems start to fall apart. Snowflake was built specifically for the cloud era, and its biggest innovation is something called the multi-cluster shared data architecture. Here is how it works. Snowflake separates everything into three independent layers. The first is the storage layer. Your data is stored in a compressed, optimized format in cloud storage, like Azure Blob Storage, Amazon S3, or Google Cloud Storage. The storage is completely independent from compute. You only pay for the data you actually store. The second is the compute layer. Snowflake uses virtual warehouses, independent compute clusters that process your queries. You can scale them up or down instantly, spin up multiple warehouses at the same time, and they never share resources with each other. This means one team running heavy analytics reports will never slow down another team running simple queries. The third is the cloud services layer. This is the brain of Snowflake. It handles everything from authentication and security to query optimization, metadata management, and access control. It silently coordinates everything happening across storage and compute. Now, why does this separation actually matter? Because it gives you power that traditional systems simply cannot match. You can scale compute up when you need it and scale it down when you do not, dramatically reducing your cloud costs. You can run multiple workloads simultaneously without any performance impact. You get automatic query optimization without any manual tuning, and it works across all major clouds: Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, and Google Cloud. Companies across banking, healthcare, retail, and technology are adopting Snowflake today to power their modern data platforms at massive scale. If you are a data engineer, data analyst, or cloud architect, understanding Snowflake is fast becoming an essential skill. Snowflake is not just a tool, it's a completely new way of thinking about data architecture in the cloud age. Subscribe for more data engineering and cloud content, and I'll see you in the next one.